Hi, this is Melissa Larson with Mercedes-Benz of Bowling Green. I'm making a short video on this Mercedes-Benz AMG S63 that we have in stock. I'm getting a back massage by the seats as we speak. For your comfort and convenience, this Mercedes-Benz is equipped with power heated, ventilated, and massaging front and rear seats, rear entertainment, driving assistance, and especially the AMG package. 4-zone climate control in the rear and calf cushions, nothing short of luxury. Rear seat entertainment, wireless charging in the back, attention assist, pre-safe, active LED headlamps, LED daytime running lamps, electronic stability, anti-lock brakes, advanced airbags, active brake assist, surround view, active park assist, blind spot assist, and lane keep assist. Ask me about Magic Vision control. Thanks for watching. Give me a call, 270-745-0001.